Good. Ah! So, my GOT7 Flight Departure album just came in the mail today. And I'm gonna open it. This is so weird. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Get it. This is also my first unboxing video, so sorry for the awkward. This is the poster. Oh, this is also the Serenity version. I don't really know if the posters are different. Oh, that's so cool. This is it. They're so pretty. Oh my god. They're so good looking. JB is beautiful. And so this is the album. It has a sleeve that comes off. That's just like all of them. This is what's in it. I've never gotten an album that looked like this before. This is kind of strange. So like the CD is just like this on like this cardboard. It looks pretty though. Kind of like a compass. Oh, it is a compass. And here's a departure card. It's kind of cool. It's pretty. I really like the colors for this album. They look really nice. And this is just the photo book. Just clouds. It's, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I'm really scared to see what photo card I got. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god, JB! Oh my god, I'm gonna cry! Oh my gosh! This, out of all like K-pop albums I have, this is the first time I've ever gotten like my bias. Like I have almost all the EXO albums, and I seriously only have Suho and Sehun, and it's kind of sad. But here's Jackson and Youngjae. This is cool too. It looks like a ticket on the other side. It's nice. And then just this now. The first page is just blue. More blue. So cool. I really like their concept photos. They look pretty nice. I think it would be cooler to have these photos like not bound in a book though. Here's Jackson. I think Bam Bam's might be the coolest one. See, like, wouldn't this look better if it wasn't in a book? Like, it looks so weird. And then that was like part 1. And then part 2 is like, it has like who wrote the song, like arranged and composed by, and then like the lyrics. I don't know if you can see it. They're really small. You know the lens can zoom, right?
Yes, I know.
My roommate is filming this, by the way.
My arms are cramping.
And then it's just more of that in this part. The photos still look really nice. And this is the first thing for part 3. More songs. I really like this one. Sounds nice. It'd be a good banner on Twitter. And then that's pretty much it. Oh! There's I guess letters, or like what they wrote to fans. And I can't read it because I don't know Korean or Chinese. Mark has some of it's in English. Some of Jackson's is in English. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so good looking. And that's it. Yay. I'm actually really happy with it. Like, it's so nice, and it's my first GOT7 album too. So that's really cool. I thought I would get more with it. I bought it off Amazon and it said that there would be like extra photo card, like a photo card set, but I don't. There's nothing else. So I don't know. That's weird. But it's so cute, so I'm not gonna trip. And I got a poster. And I got JB. He's my bias, so. Okay, it was probably like this. It is kind of a weird packaging. Like, it's different from what I'm used to. But it's really cute. Pretty sure I put it on backwards.